Today, I'm going to be talking about the Expensify app. This is an app that I've been using for a while now, and I think it's a great tool for anyone who needs to track their expenses. Before I get into the details of how the app works, I want to take a moment to talk about why I think it's so useful. In my experience, tracking expenses can be a real pain. There are so many different things to keep track of, and it's easy to forget things or make mistakes. Expensify makes it easy to keep track of all of your expenses in one place. How does the Expensify app work? Now that I've talked about why I think Expensify is a great app, let's get into the details of how it works. Expensify works by taking pictures of your receipts and then automatically extracting the relevant information, such as the date, amount, and vendor. You can also add notes to your receipts, and you can categorize your expenses by type. Once you've added your receipts to the app, you can export them to a spreadsheet or PDF file. You can also use the app to create reports that show you how much you've spent in different categories. Expensify also offers a number of other features, such as the ability to create custom reports, the ability to track your expenses by project, the ability to get reimbursed for your expenses, the ability to integrate with other apps, such as QuickBooks and Xero. Expensify's pricing. Expensify offers a variety of pricing plans, depending on your needs. The most basic plan is free, but it has some limitations. The paid plans offer more features, such as the ability to track your expenses by project and to get reimbursed for your expenses. Additional tips. If you're using Expensify for business, you can get a tax deduction for your expenses. You can use Expensify to track your expenses for personal use as well. Expensify is available for both iOS and Android devices. I think Expensify is a great app for anyone who needs to track their expenses. It's easy to use, and it offers a variety of features that make it a valuable tool. With that said, thanks for watching.